after that a while, kids can do this strategy. Instead of having to use the tools, they can do the pictures. And so for a while, they're just using a place value chart and they're drawing. And I'm gonna go, you know what? I've got an efficient strategy. We can move away from drawing pictures. Can I show you what that is? So I'd still let them do this problem with pictures, and then I would transition and go, okay, this is gonna be the same thing. So we start out with 347, and we're taking away 194. And just like we did with the pictures, did I have enough ones? I had 7 ones take away 4, and what did we get?
3.
3. But what did you notice when we moved into the tens place? What happens here? I have 40, and I'm trying to take away 90.
You didn't have enough.
We don't. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna actually exchange one of those hundreds, right? So if I take 100 away from here, how many will I still have in the hundreds place?
200.
I will have 200. And if I put 100 with this 40, what will be the value in the tens place now?
140.
140. Excellent. So now I have 14 tens minus 9 tens, or 140 minus 90. And how much would that be? And so they're going to get at that same concept that it would be 50, and then here's that 100. 153. Now, something that I know that a lot of kids are struggling, I'm going to tack on this last little thought. And this is what we said to do with the fluency. We need to start problems like this. They're gonna trip over that, aren't they? They're gonna go, oh, I don't know. And you're gonna see all the fingers come out with 14 minus 9, right? Instead, we wanna hopefully transition to this place where we're breaking it down into a friendly 10. So I can take off 4 right away. 4 and 5 make that 9, right? So if I take 14 minus 4, that does get me to that friendly 10. And then I know I can just take that 5, and there's what it is. So instead of having to finger, and count, we can say, can you subtract back to a friendly 10? So at the very beginning of my conversation with 3rd and 4th grade, that's what I was doing over here, was saying, you know what? They're gonna get stuck in multi-digit addition and subtraction if they're not fluent with their basic facts. So we said it has to go in tandem. You start with a number talk, because I know I'm going to pose this problem eventually, and it's very connected. And then when they get to 14 tens minus 9 tens, they're going to go, oh yeah, that's right, I remember that number talk that we did at the beginning of class.